Hello students, welcome to video lecture of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding a radius of curvature for the curve x square y is equal to a into x square plus y square at the rate of given values of x and y, that is minus 2a plus 2a. Means if you put it on a graph sheet, then it is what? 0, a, 2a, 0, a, 2a, and even though if you take it on negative side, it is minus a, minus 2a. Means the curve will be traced between plus 2a to minus 2a. Fine. Means in this domain. Fine. So here somewhere the curve will be. Fine. What to do then? Very first, let me consider the given example as it is, because we can go for differentiation directly. So that is x square y is equal to a into x square plus y square. Therefore, differentiating this with respect to x. When we differentiate it with respect to x, it becomes x square common and differentiation of y is dy by dx plus y common and differentiation of x is 2x. Fine. Which is equal to a into differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Fine. Which is nothing but I'll be taking dy by dx is equal to y1 now. Then it becomes x square y1 plus 2y into x is equal to 2 times a into x plus 2 times a into y into y1 into y1. Therefore, I want to know what is the value of y1. Okay, here from LHS it is x square. Then from RHS also there is y1. Take it to the other end. Then it becomes minus 2ay, which is equal to 2ax. It goes to the other end, then it is minus 2xy. Fine. Therefore, y1 is equal to 2ax minus 2xy divided by x square minus 2ay. This is the value of y1. Okay, then let us see after substituting the value of this one what happens now. In a previous example we took both y1 y2, then we substituted the value. Okay, even you can what you can do, you can take y1, then you can substitute the value, then basic result has to be differentiated and it can be proceed. Okay, what I do, I'll take the values. Let xy is equal to 2a comma 2a. Fine. Then what happens? y1 is equal to 2a into the value of x is 2a, minus, so minus 2a. Fine. Minus 2 into minus 2a into plus 2a divided by minus 2a the square minus 2a into 2a. Calculate this. What happens now? 2a into 2a, 4a square minus 4a square. Fine. Minus 4a square, and here it is minus of minus plus. What happens now? It becomes 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Fine. It becomes 8. But if you see the denominator, you can see here the denominator is 0. When the denominator is 0, then automatically this leads to infinity. Fine. So if y1 tends to infinity, then what to do? If y1 tends to infinity, then if you substitute in a formula also, the entire radius of curvature will become infinity. Then to avoid that one, if y1 tends to infinity, then entire radius of curvature will be infinity only. To avoid that one, what to do? let us consider x1 and x2. Change the scenario now. Instead of y1 y2, let us take x1 x2. Okay, so let x1 is equal to, what is x1? Dx by dy. Already we have y1, which is nothing but dy by dx. Now we have to take its reciprocal, dx by dy. Then it becomes x square minus 2ay divided by 2ax minus 2xy. Therefore, the value of x1 at the rate of minus 2a comma 2a will be equal to, you can see, if it is a infinity, if y1 tends to infinity, then x1 is what? Reciprocal of this. Then 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore, it becomes 1 divided by infinity, which is equal to 0. So, you got x1 is equal to 0. Okay. Then let us go for x2. What is x2? x2 is nothing but differentiating it once again with respect to y. So, that is d square y by dx square, sorry, dx square, d square x by dy square. Fine. So, differentiating this result, that is 2ax minus 2xy the whole square, u by v form. Then it is 2ax minus 2xy into differentiation of numerator with respect to y. The differentiation of numerator x square is 2x into x1. Fine. Minus 2a common. Then differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Minus differentiation of, numerator as it is, x square minus 2ay as it is. Then differentiating the denominator with respect to y. That becomes 2a, and differentiation of x with respect to y is x1 minus 2x common. Then differentiation of y will be 1. Then minus 2y common. Then differentiation of x is x1. Fine. Then at the rate of given point, the value of x2 at the rate of minus 2a comma 2a is equal to, substitute all these values and calculate. Again, we will be using a rough sheet to calculate this result. Let us see what happens. If you put it here, then it becomes 2 into a into minus 2a minus 2 into minus 2a into 2a into bracket 2 into minus 2a into x1. x1 is 0 minus 2a. Okay. Then minus 2a the square minus 2 into a into 2a into x1 0. x1 0. Then what remains? Minus 2 into x means minus of minus 2a. This whole thing divided by 2a into minus 2a minus 2 into minus 2a into y the whole square. Fine. So which is equal to, if you calculate this is equal to minus 4a square. Okay, minus 4a square. Then I'll put a bracket here. Okay, minus 4a square, and it is minus of minus plus 8a square into, this is 0 and this is minus 2a minus 2a square is what? 4a square plus 4a square plus 4a square minus 2 into 2 4a square into this one into minus 2a, but here this is gone, so divided by, it is minus 4a square minus 4a square minus of minus plus 4a, and this is y is again 2a, so it is 8a cube, 8a square the whole square. Therefore this term is gone. then it is minus 4 plus 8, it is 4. 4a square into minus 2a, fine, divided by, this is again 4a square the square, fine. So same term I'll be taking here in this case. After substituting, it becomes minus 4a square plus 8a square into minus 2a minus 4a square minus 4a square into minus 2a divided by minus 4a square plus 8a square the square, fine, which is equal to 4a square into minus 2a divided by 16a raised to 4, which is equal to, you can see here it is minus 8a cube divided by 16a raised to 4. 1s are 2s are, it get cancels with, so it is minus 1 divided by 2a. Minus 1 divided by 2e is the value of y2, fine. So we got y1 and y2, therefore put it under radius of curvature formula. Therefore radius of curvature rho is equal to, now we can see, sorry, it is not y1 y2, it is x2. Okay, we have x1 and x2. We have alternate formula that we have already discussed in a previous class. What it says? It says that if y1 becomes infinity, then we need to move to next part, that is, instead of y1 we have to take x1, that raised to 3 divided by 2 divided by x2. So this is the formula. Fine. Substitute the value in this case. Let us see what happens. Rho is equal to 1 plus x1. x1 is 0. 0 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by x2. x2 is minus 1 divided by 2a. So it becomes minus 2. It goes to the numerator. That is 1 raised to 3 by 2. That is nothing but minus 2a. Okay. But we need to get a rho positive. So it is